on the Squire, and of course, I go to move it outside this morning, and it decides to pretty much blow a load of power steering fluid everywhere, as you can see. It puked all over the parking lot, all over the shop. What a joyous thing. I'm thinking it's just a hose, but everything is wet in there. Take a gander. So we'll be taking a peeky-boo. Literally filled it with fluid. Got to the end of the driveway, and we're already whining. You can hear it. Joy. So I'm driving Dennis's awful Squire, which decides to listen to that. You hear it? Not only is the power steering whining, but the brakes are doing the exact same damn thing as the Mercury, because it's the exact same damn car. But this one's a piece of shit. More fun on Squire. Yay! That's the trans cooler that somebody hacked in. That's the line for it. So, fun. As you can see, we are vomiting profusely everywhere. Because doesn't want to behave. I also had to jump start it, obviously, to get it over here, and the battery would not charge at all, so I did get a battery for it as well.